affairs, that na the diaspora affairs will be say they part of your ministry. Help us through it light. Wetin dey happen for there? Wetin be the things wey be say they happen for inside that diaspora part of your ministry?
Okay, as I told before, Mr. Governor know the value of our brothers and sisters for abroad, where they stay, not they stay for Edo. So once you know they stay Edo, you'll be diaspora, whether in Lagos, Ghana, America, everywhere. So all those ones, because Mr. Governor value them, you know the value where they get, whether they support government, support their people for here, and some way they very intelligent, we don't read book well, they won't come back. So maybe say, you know, maybe they even they frustrated for where they did, but they won't come back. They not get that opportunity. Let me call Governor carry that department, join this ministry. So our responsibility now to bridge the gap between government and our brothers and sisters who are not there for Edo State. So the purpose of that is to make sure say anything they want to do, there's one stop, you know, gap. There's one stop bridge between them and Benin and Edo State. So we will thank God, you know, for that. Then, what we can do as ministry? I don't identify one person for each of the country as Edo cultural ambassador. So those ones now they will collate all the association. You know, so they get different association, they get different organization, they get professionals. You know, we be doctor, teacher, everything where they be. We won't gather all of them, put for one database. So that ambassador, cultural ambassador, we did that country, like for London, America, and everywhere now, they will gather all those work for us because me know if they there everywhere at the same time. So those one will gather for work. They won't get a database for our computer. So if for God now they go London, I will just call the person will be cultural ambassador there. Or God they come, they can organize the place with Oga. So if God want meet them, straightforward. So we're not going to run a tasketer. So maybe last few weeks, you see, when I go to Dublin, I meet Edo people there because the way they organize a cultural youth for our youth, tracing back to our roots. So I go represent Oga governor there. I come tell them, say, see what Oga they do, see what our government they do. From there, I can't go London, meet our people for London. From London, I go Belgium, where great Benin origin organize events for London. They even give Oga governor award. So we do all those ones. So we try to bridge the gap, and I tell them what Mr. Governor they do for here. So that everybody is happy. Next week, Oga they go address the European Parliament. You know, I just say you want to talk about this human trafficking plus waiting they do, and now you go to bring investors come home. So you don't tell me now, say make I organize town hall meeting, you know, for Edo people, for Brussels, for Belgium. So all our brothers and sisters, we get and they will come to Belgium, come Brussels on the 12th. We will wait for them, then Oga will come talk to them. It never happened before. All those now, when I go Germany, I go the Nigerian embassy for Germany, for Berlin. The ambassador received me. He thanked me when I say, then since when you don't be ambassador, you never see this kind of, say, commissioner will come with bold land, say, he won't see their people, or even governor. Say, but when they come, they won't do party with them, they won't chop with them, they will go, but say, Oga send me to come meet my people. You never see that kind of thing before. So now where Oga, they go Lord, their brothers, now won't meet the people. You know, it never happened before. So now to show the kind of person where our governor be. So by the time you see that people, they tell them their problem, they ask them question, you know, you can answer them. They're not hear from commissioner, that they hear from the Oga Patapata. So that's what you want to do for the 12th, concerning the diaspora. By August, we won't do cultural day for London. You know, so every year they do nothing in Carnival, from the 24th to the 26th of August. As I go to London that time, I don't make arrangement where for us to have a Edo State Ministry of Art and Culture, our stand for London. It never happened before. And I don't talk, say, everybody go wear Oba cloth. We take do coronation. I don't already get 500 pieces, so I won't carry go share for them. So we will wear on that day for London. Imagine the whole world, they look nothing in Carnival and they see Edo for them. So that's a part of the diaspora. Then on the 1st of August too, our deputy governor, they go to Los Angeles to go meet AFEMA Edo Day. We will give them all the materials to tell our people for there, for America, say see what they do. Then 26th, 29th, 30th August to the 2nd and 3rd of September, Edo National Convention for Toronto, for Canada. I should say Oga governor will go, me will go, so that we'll tell our people what the government they do. So you see that one, the system will go people, government, diaspora people don't hear hospital well. So now what the Oga governor they do with that, and then now what to concern our diaspora people.